Hello, today is May 16th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. As usual, let's review my last calls. We had a couple of targets. One was an optional mejt target of 2117.46 that printed and was a good support area. Let's not forget that we also have a target from May 14th of 2109.80, which remains active. We also have some prices in the 2080s, which I think will print at some time. The ongoing call from last week was we would have a rally followed by a sharp reversal, not necessarily all in a day, and that's going to remain the call. If you look at Friday's action, early in the day there was an ultimate sell signal and an ultimate buy. The ultimate buy signal has been fulfilled. The ultimate sell gives us a target of 2116.78. Ultimately, that price should print, and we don't have to wait very long, as a rule. In the afternoon, the system also said that the drop was a false move and that prices would return to this line on or after this time. Well, let's see if we can make a prediction for Monday. There was also one other optional target I gave Thursday night that I'll discuss in just a minute. Here's what's going on. We have a stilt. We now have a full-blown diamond. A diamond is a negative formation. We also have the stilt going up and a move slanting upward, as I showed Thursday night. This typically leads to a retracement. Now, the other prediction we had was an optional prediction that we would have a drop of between 8 to 10 handles on Friday, and that did not happen. However, if we drop with a gap down from this close on Friday, I would consider that close enough, and I think the odds favor that happening. I think we have a stilt and a diamond, and the odds favor a stilt-like move down with an initial target of the origin of the left stilt. Now, there are a few possible stops along the way. If you look at this stilt and this stilt, then this is half a diamond, and half a diamond's enough, so we have an inverted diamond on stilts. Here's the origin here, which turns out to be at a Fibonacci level of the rally from the origin of the left stilt. So there could be a stop along the way here. And here's the origin of the left stilt of the current diamond on stilts. This can also be a support resistance level too. So it's possible we're going to have some consolidating between these Fibonacci lines. The rule, once again, is that the first challenge tends to hold and the second challenge fails in a big way. If that all comes true and we fiddle-faddle around here, eventually that should break, leading to a challenge of this line. It would be the second challenge of the origin of the left stilt and should lead to a pretty big drop. Now, I've thought the market was on its last legs more times than I can say and been completely wrong. But let's look at the picture now. While the stock market has been hitting new highs, the percentage of stocks with favorable patterns has been dropping. Let's also not forget that while SPX is rallying to new highs. The trannies has been hitting new lows and is now under its 200-day moving average. So we have some divergence in spades there. If the call fails, it should be obvious right from the open. And I really don't have a plan B if the call fails. But the best guess I have for Monday is that we have a stilt-like drop right from the open, ideally at least 8 to 10 points. And over the ensuing days, it could be a lot more than that. And that's today's call.